DJI Osmo 360 can record up to 8K 50 FPS, so smooth and clear yung video mo. Maganda pa dito, meron siyang 105 gig built-in storage. Kung bitin ka pa dyan, pwede ka pa maglagay ng micro SD card. May 3 battery kasama to, so sure di ka mabibitin sa trip mo. If mahilig ka mag night ride like me, may super night feature to para yung gabi mo, maliwanag po. Another thing that I like about this camera, perfect yung size niya. You can even use it as your helmet camera without compromising the field of view. Another great thing, a lot of accessories available to help you achieve the best angle possible for your shot. Grab one now. Click mo na lang yung link dyan sa baba. Let's go.